Welcome friends. Now I'm talk about on Internet of Things. Agenda, Introduction, Functional Model, Key Features, Hardware, Cisco Virtualized Packet Core, Salesforce Electric Lamp. Introduction. First, what is an IoT? IoT is a wire or wireless communication. It transfers data without human interaction. They transfer data over a network, human to human or human to machine. It is coined by radio frequency identification development in 1999. Just imagine the world have a million of objects. These are interconnected into public or private internet and to share the information. The network evolved in vehicles, smartphone, toys, camera and etc. These are all connected to communicate and sharing the data. Functional model. The functional model to describe the functional group. These groups have a functional component. The components are device communication, IoT service, virtual entity, IoT process management, service organization, management, security and application. First, device functional group. The device functionality is hosted in physical device. It includes sensor and actuator, example smart dustbin. Communication functional group. The communicational functionality, it has been transferred the data one to another. IoT service functional group. This service, it is used to how it can be processed and storage resources. Virtual entity functional group. The virtual entity, it contains necessary to manage the association between virtual entity. It can be static or dynamic. Example for car moving is a dynamic, car doesn't move, it is a static. IoT service organizational functional group. It is to hosted all functional component that supports the composition and orchestration. IoT process management functional group. It allows smooth integration to the related service. Management functional group. It can be managed enabling fault and performance. Security functional group. It allows system security. It contains authentication of user and secure communication. Application functional group. This is placeholder of all the application. Example smart grid. All the components are important in the functional model. Key features. AI. The IoT makes anything in smart that enhance the artificial intelligence. It makes something as a simple. Connectivity. The technology needs a network connection at a smaller and cheaper scale. Sensor. It is passive network into active system of real world integration. Active engagement. Now more technology connected with passive network, but the IoT introduced the active products. Small device. There are a lot of IoT devices are smaller, cheaper and more powerful. IoT hardware. The IoT sensor. The most important hardware in IoT is sensor. The RF modules manage the communication. Example Zigbee, Bluetooth, radio transceiver, duplexer. This is a Zigbee. These are sensor devices, accelerometer, magnetometer and etc. It is an example. A customer buy a product containing sensor. Sensor share location of use. Sensors also share use characteristics and performance data. IoT system then present relevant information and malfunction detection, such as ads for solution or product review for replacement product. This data used in traffic jam. IoT Cisco Virtualized Packet Core. It is a technology to provide 4G, 3G, 2G services. It is greater scalability and faster deployment. These are Cisco technologies: Wi-Fi, 4G, 2G, Salesforce. The Salesforce, it is a cloud platform to store the data, and it is a real-time environment. The Salesforce gather data from device, website, and application to gathering and to store. Electric lamp. This quickly connected to cloud. It has two modules, device module and agent module. This platform ensures secure communication between the models. These commands are used to store the data.
Welcome to all. Now I am present topic is Internet of Things. Myself Mangala Mary, Department of MSc Computer Science. Now let's see the topics for completed. Driving force of IoT, ABCDs of IoT, current smart wearable device, IoT technology and protocols, challenges involved of IoT, IoT advantages and disadvantages. So far these covered. The very first topic is driving focus of IoT. There are 5 types of driving focus: sensor technology, chip miniature computer, low power connectivity, capable mobile device, power of the cloud. The first one is sensor technologies. There are 3 types of sensor technologies: accelerometer, force sensor and pulse sensor. An accelerometer is an electromechanical device used to measure acceleration forces. Force sensor. Generally, the working principles of force sensor is that they respond to the applied load and weight and then transform into a quantifiable output. Third one is pulse sensor. Pulse sensor is a well-designed plug-and-play heart rate sensor for Arduino. The second one is chip mini computer. The very most of chip mini computer is Lily Tiny. Lily Tiny is a small little pad board. Little pad is a wearable e-text technology developed by Leo Future and cooperative designed by Leo and Spectrum. The third one is low power connectivity. Connectivity options in these groups are called low power wide area network, LAP. WANs send small amount of data which allows them operated at very low power with range in mils rather than feet. The fourth one is capable mobile device. Mobile internet device is a multimedia capable device providing wireless internet access. They are designed to provide entertainment, information, and locations based service for personal or business use. There are two ways: communications and real-time sharing. The fifth one is power of the cloud. The power of cloud is formidable and is regularly used to enhance most other facts of data management. ABCDs of IoT. A means applications, B means big data analytics, C means connectivity and communications, D means that device that are smart. Current smart wearable device, secret bracelet. The secret bracelet can project a touch screen onto your alarm, making it possible for you easy access and work your apps without having to take out your phones. It is called secret, as spoke on secret. It projects the screen on the skin and you can operate it on the skin itself. It connected with your mobile and can operate it on your skin. Read mails, play your favorite games, answer your calls, check the weather, find out way. Signal wristband. Third one is smart ring. A smart ring is a wearable electrical device with advanced mobile components that combine features of mobile device with innovative features useful for mobile or hand-it use. IoT technologies and protocols. RFD. radio frequency identifications. The Internet of Things is a convergence of enabled systems, wireless sensor networks, control system and automations that makes connected factories, intelligent retail, smart homes and cities and wearable device possible. Challenges in world of IoT scalability. Millions of internet-enabled devices get connected in a HugNet. Large volumes of data are needed to proceed. Interoperability. Technology standard in most areas are still fragmented. These technologies need to be covered. Lacks of government supports. Safety of patient. Most of IoT devices are left unattended as they are connected with real-world objects. If used patients as wearable device, any technical error in security can be life-threatening for patient. IoT advantages: improve customer engagement, technology optimization, reduce waste, enhance data collection. Major advantages of IoT: medical fields, smart city and smartphones, self-driving. IoT disadvantage: there is a no security, there is a no privacy, there is a no safety, complexity and flexibility. That's all. Thank you.
Now we are going to see about the IoT devices and the connectivity process. Previously we seen that the IoT basics and the protocols. I am Nisha from second year MSc Computer Science. QB board. This is the QB board like a Raspberry Pi. It is used in the early days for the projects and all. The ports and the projector ports at Mega 8 controller and the input output pins are available. This is the QB board cluster. More than 8 QB board to be connected together. It acts as a QB board cluster. It used for the larger projects. Raspberry Pi 4 Model B. There are different models are available in the market. Each model to be differ because the port pins is more available in recent models. It acts as a mini computer. Arduino UNO only act as a microcontroller, not an computer. It is used for the small projects. It has DC power jack for the power supply, voltage regulator, USB port, reset button. Reset button is used to re-upload the code for the another projects. At Mega 8 used to store the programming. According to the program, the project will run. It is a power source, analog pins. These are the digital pins and the in-circuit serial programming header. It also acts as a ground input and output pins. Sensors. These are the three types of sensor. First one is water level sensor to detect the water. Second one is soil moisture sensor used to detect the soil moisture whether it is dry or wet. Third one is ultrasonic sensor. It also have different types but the work is motion of the objects. Example applications or traffic control system or parking system, etc. Jumper wires and relay. Three types of jumper wires. First one is both male and female and male and female for the connectivity of two devices. This is relay. Relay is used to switching on and off the motor and so on. Some other kits like breadboard, LED and some wires. Breadboard is used to show the clear connectivity and extra input pins to be reduced. LED is used to whether the power is passing or not. This is the Arduino interface for uploading the code into the Arduino device. The programming languages are also available like C, Java, Python. According to the user's wish, the coding to be written. This is the Altai embed. It used to generate the code automatically. If know the circuit diagram of our project, clearly we can draw, that will automatically code can generate. That is very useful for who doesn't about the knowledge of programming languages. Applications, there are two applications we will see. First one is measuring water level through Arduino UNO 3. These are the three steps to be followed: positive and negative, and the input output to be connected to the Arduino, the same pin. Positive connect to the positive of Arduino, negative and the input pin. That will next upload the code into the Arduino through the USB port. The water level is depth means till the 1000 value to be increased. If the water level is not detected means the 0 value to be generated in the serial monitor. This is the code. This is normal C code. Analog read A0, the pin is inserted in the A0. That value given to the sensor value, that value printed in the serial monitor. Automatic plant watering system. These are the 9 steps clearly explained. I will explain in the picture. First of all, connect the 12 volt DC power supply to the Arduino board. Initially, the motor is started according to the program what I given. The sensor given the value to the Arduino board. In between, the analog to digital converter is presented. The Arduino output given to the relay taken as that input. The motor will switch on when the soil is dry and switch off when the soil is wet. Mainly everybody to be take care of the same pin number in both devices, and the programming pin should be same, must be same, because if anybody changes that pin differently, it will produces the output wrongly and it will shows error previously. So we have to take care of that, and I will show the video. The soil is dry, so the motor is automatically on. If it is wet means it automatically stops without the human interaction. It is useful for the farmers, uh, people for the gardening and etc. Thank you.